Hallo, willkommen zur Exzellenzsprachschule. Ich bin Sunil Virani und euer Deutschunterrichter. Hello, welcome to Excellent Language Institute. I am Sunil Virani and your German tutor. In this video, we are going to learn numbers. If we want to call it in German language, we can say numbers in German means die Nummer, or we can say die Zahl. See here, die is the, okay. Die is the of English language, okay. So we can say die Nummer, the number, die Zahl, the number, okay. So for numbers, we have two videos for you. See, this is the first video. In this video, we are going to learn numbers from 0 to 20, and in second video we are going to learn numbers from 21 to any number you want to write. So let's start with this video and with 0. See, 0 in German language is null, okay. First of all, the first two alphabets is N and U. It will be nu, and double L will be L, okay. So null, okay, null. Then the 1, okay, 1. See, here in 1, first two alphabet is E and I. See, whenever E, I will come together, pronunciation is I, right? Then N and S. So overall pronunciation is eins. This E, I, ein, and N, like S, okay. So eins, null, eins. Then we have 2, zwei. See, pronunciation of Z is S, half to, half S, okay, S. Then we have W, pronunciation is V, and then EI, S, V, I. S, V, I. Overall pronunciation will be zwei, okay, zwei. Then we have 3. 3 in German is drei, okay. DR is dr, okay. EI is I, dr, I. Overall pronunciation is drei, okay. So null, eins, zwei, drei, okay. Then we have 4. In German it is vier, okay, vier. See, it is starting with V, but pronunciation of V in German language is four, right? So 4, IE is ear, right? For ear, and at the end R. But R we are not going to pronounce completely. Pronunciation of R will be really less. So overall pronunciation is for ear, like fear, okay, fear. So R we are not going to pronounce completely here, fear. Then 5. See, F U umlaut will be U, right? U mit umlaut is U, but F U umlaut is few, okay, few, no for, right? So overall pronunciation is fünf, okay, fünf, okay, fünf. Then 6. See, pronunciation of 6 in German language, like 6 in German is sechs, okay. See, we have brought one rule for S, right? Pronunciation rules for S. See, after S, if there is a vowel, right? Vowel means A, E, I, O, U, A mit umlaut, O mit umlaut, U mit umlaut. If after S, vowel is coming, pronunciation of S will be Z, right? So pronunciation of S is Z, SE will be Z, right? Then CH will be K here, K, and S at the end. So overall pronunciation of 6 in German is sechs, okay. See, here we have CH. We have also learned rules for CH. See, in rules for CH, we have learned that if before CH there is E, then pronunciation of CH will be sh, right? But here, this is an exception. Exception means apvad in Gujarati or Hindi language, right? This is apvad, this is exception, because as per the rules, pronunciation of CH should be sh, but here pronunciation of CH is kh. So we have to remember pronunciation of this word sechs by ourselves, okay. So sechs it is. Then we have sieben. S is coming, after S I is coming, means second alphabet is vowel. Pronunciation of S is z, okay. IE is ear, right? So sieben. En is at the end, an at the end, okay. So pronunciation is sieben. Then we have 8. acht. See, A is A, CH will be Kh, because here the rules for CH, pronunciation rule of, sorry, here pronunciation rules for CH is being applying, right? So here before CH, I is not there, E is not there, U is not there, S is not there, umlaut is not there. It means pronunciation of CH is Kh, right? And at the end T. So A, Kh, T, act, act. Okay. Then no, EU means oya, and at the end na. So no, oya, na. Like overall it will be noya, na. So oral pronunciation is neun, neun. Okay, neun. Then the last one, 10 in German is sen, sen. See, Z is s, t, s, half of, right? S, se. H we are not going to pronounce here. Like if we will pronounce it, then it is really less. Okay, so H we are not going to pronounce. Sen. Okay, and then sen, 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 right? So let's repeat once again, 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now let's talk about 11 to 20. Okay, see, 11 is elf. Okay, elf. So it is starting with E is A, L and F, elf. Okay, so overall it is elf. Elf means 11. Then we have 12. See, Z is S, V and Yo. So overall is Svyo, 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 and at the end Lf, Lf, right? Half of. So oral pronunciation is 12, 12, 12, elf, 12. Okay, elf, 12. Now see, 13 to 13 to 19. This is very interesting and very easy to learn. See, in English language we can say 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? So 13 is based on 3, 14 is based on 4, 15 is based on 5, right? So same thing is happening here as well. See, we have dry, like see, 13 of course it is based on 3, 14 is based on 4, right? So see, 13 is dry and then sen, right? 14 is fear, see this is fear, sen. 15 is fünf, sen, right? Like fünf, sen, right? So 13, 14, 15 like dry, sen, fear, sen, fünf, sen, sechs, sen, sieb, sen, acht, sen, neun, sen, and 20, right? See, we have to repeat 16 and 17, right? See, spelling of 6 is sechs. There is S here, right? We have S in 6, but at the end of here, see, we are skipping S here. So we will not write S in 16. In 6 there is S, but in 16 we are not going to write. So 6 is sechs, 16 is sechsen, sechsen. Okay, sechsen. Same is happening in 17, right? See, in sieben we have here en, right? In sieben we have en, but in 17 we don't have en, like we are skipping en. Okay, so we are removing en. You can say here we are removing S, and in 16 we are removing en, in 17. So overall it is siebsen. Okay, for achtsen it is like we are not changing anything in acht or neun. Okay, achtsen, neunsen, right? Now 20. 20 is so, like zwa, no, so, I, sh. So so, no, so, I, sh. 20. Overall pronunciation will be 20. Okay, now let's repeat once again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. See, I think for 0 to 20 we have spoken about everything, right? So 0 to 20 should be clear now. Now in next part we are going to talk about 21 to any number you want to write. Okay.